Halo Sobat Santai, we're back in SMK Tamtama Karanganyar channel in Ilmu Santai. Berbagi ilmu secara santai dan semaunya. Okay, for today with me, you will learn about how to make a formal invitation letter, and of course, it is one of the material of English. And as the secretary of office administration student, so today we will have this tutorial and steps to make a formal invitation letter. But before we tell it more, we have the oven before. Okay, we are back to our channel. All we have to do here is we will make a formal invitation letter. Here I will tell you the steps to make a formal invitation letter here. For the first thing, you have to make attention about the paper size. Okay, we set our paper size here, layout size. For the formal letter, usually we use F4, F4. For the first, we have to put the letterhead. Okay, here is our letterhead, and we set to center, and we make it 0. Okay, and then we can insert shape. We can put the line here. Okay, here we go. And the font size, it is usually bigger. Usually we use Times New Roman to make a formal one. Font size for me, we can bold. Okay, for the line we can copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here we put number. Sorry, the font must be Times New Roman 12. Number. Okay, here in the right side we have put place and date. Karanganyar. Here we go. And the second attachment. No, we have no attachment here, and subject. And then we have to put letter address to. Okay, we have to off. Yeah. Next, we will have salutation. We can add Assalamualaikum. And for the sentence, for the opening, we'll have this. Due to the end of teaching and learning activities in semester 1, we invite you to take a report on student learning outcomes that will be held on. Because our letter is block style, all things start in from left. Day and date. We have So today, and then time, head o'clock till end. Place, okay, here we go. For the closing, we will have here for the closing, and we will have wassalam. And for the identity, principal of SMK. Because we have block style, so the identity is on the right. Okay, like this. We can make it here. Okay, good. It must be straight with the place. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the example of making the formal invitation letter. I hope you can do it by yourself, by your topic, and for our project. Thank you very much, and bye bye.